Hi friends, today let us talk about iPhone 6. The iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus are smartphones that were designed and marketed by Apple Inc. They are the 8th generation of the iPhone, succeeding the iPhone 5, iPhone 5C and iPhone 5S, and were announced on September 9, 2014, and released on September 19, 2014. 21. The iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus jointly were themselves replaced as the flagship devices of the iPhone series by the iPhone 6s and iPhone 6s Plus on September 9, 2015. The iPhone 6 and 6 Plus include larger 4.7 and 5.5 inches, 120 and 140 mm displays, a faster processor, upgraded cameras, improved LTE and Wi-Fi connectivity and support for a near-field communications-based mobile payments offering. 22, 23. Finish silver gold space gray capacity 116 GB 32 GB 64 GB 128 GB weight and dimensions 2 height, 5.44 inches, 138.1 mm, width, 2.64 inches, 67.0 mm, depth, 0.27 inch, 6.9 mm, weight, 4.55 ounces, 129 grams, display Retina HD display 4.7 inch, diagonal. LED backlit widescreen multi-touch display with IPS technology 1334 by 750 pixel resolution at 326 pixels per inch 1400 to 1 contrast ratio. Typical, 500 candelas per square meter max brightness. Typical, full sRGB standard dual domain pixels for wide viewing angles. Fingerprint resistant oleophobic coating on front. Support for display of multiple languages and characters simultaneously. Display zoom reachability. Chips A8 chip with 64-bit architecture. M8 motion coprocessor. iSight camera. 8 megapixel iSight camera with 1.5 micropixels autofocus with focus pixels f. 2.2 aperture. Optical image stabilization. iPhone 6 Plus only. True Tone Flash 5-element lens. Hybrid IR filter. Backside illumination sensor. Sapphire crystal lens cover. Auto image stabilization. Auto HDR for photos.